Here's a quick shot of the Offenhauser dual Quadrajet intake, and as you can see I've got also Offenhauser 2-inch carb spacers under each Quadrajet there, and those are 4-hole spacers. The Manifold is single plane, but it's got 4 holes in the plenum for each carb. So now I'm going to show you the other intake I have. So the intake on the car, it has 4 holes per carb machined into the flange. This intake I bought later at a swap meet. Same exact intake, but somebody's hogged out the plenum there. I'm guessing to put a different carburetor on there, like an Edelbrock or Holly. I'm going to clean this up and make it nicer so I have a good spare for the Chevelle. There we are. I spent some time with my Makita die grinder and a carbide and made those plenums look a lot nicer. I don't know that it necessarily flows better or anything like that, but at least it looks cleaner, more like a factory look from how one of the previous owners machined it. For reference here, I machined it to look a lot like an old bow tie intake. Here's my GM bow tie intake, cast iron, and as you can see the plenum looks very similar now to the Offenhauser dual Quadrajet manifold. So both will accommodate a Quadrajet or a square bore carburetor. I will never do that. I will only run Quadrajets on these, but anyway, all done for today.